What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy though, back again with another reaction. We got another recommended video from my guy, Derry McGinnis. We got all 31 NHL. It's supposed to say Team Goal Horns 2021. I guess every team got a unique goal. Horn, my fault. Goal horn. They got a goal horn. So we're about to get into it. But before we do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're 5 subs away from 325 subscribers. Let's go. Oh my. Is they gonna show some goals? Oh, oh my. That sound like oh, this sound like some scary movie, like you gotta hurry up. Oh, I like this song. This was on 2K. I like this song. Okay. Why did it sound like some WWE intros, bro? Oh, heck, see, no. Okay, so they got a horn and a specific song that plays after it. That's dope. I like that. What team is this? Calgary Flames. That was crazy. Oh, this like some dark. Okay. They should have put clips of them scoring goals and then this playing. Chicago Blackhawks. Why am I getting flashbacks of the fire drill at school, bro? Colorado, bro. Colorado. Come on, bro. Y'all know I rock with Colorado. Indiana and Colorado. They're my places. But Colorado. This sounds like my phone vibrated. This ain't a horn. This is somebody recorded their phone vibrated in the goddamn microphone. Listen to this. God. That was my phone. I thought my phone was. I thought. I ain't gonna lie. I like that transition. That transition was crazy because I was gonna say this horn. It sound like when your TV. When you turn on your TV, you ain't got no cable, so you get all that static. That's what you get. This is what you get. What team is this? Columbus Blue Jackets. Okay. Hey, they lucky they transition was a good, you know what I'm saying? It was a good transition to the song. Because that horn was crazy. What is it, Delaware or something? Dallas Stars? Boy, that is not a horn. That is a goddamn train. Okay. Okay, that transition was good. It was a good transition right there. Hey, the last couple teams, they've been having some, Jesus Christ, they've been having some, their horn sound is some trains. Minnesota just want to get it as loud as possible, I guess. This is the chillest one. That was pretty chill right there. This not a Chicago team, Montreal Canadiens. They was just in the finals. That's not a bad transition. That's a pretty decent transition right there. I really be listening to the horn and then the music to see if they mesh together. Okay. Bro. Let me get a. You know what that horn sound like? It sound like if they did a purge and this was that's the horn that you hear outside like, oh shit about to get real. This sound real WWE-ish. Okay. That was real WWE-ish. Okay. That was a good one too. Hey, they let it be known, man. We just scored on them motherfuckers. Goddamn it. This will wake you up. Okay, so is it like, say I'm the home team. No, say I'm the away team, and my team scores. Do they play our horn, or they just like, forget y'all don't get a horn over here? Is that how it is when you away team, or they just play both teams' horn? This ain't a horn. This is a vibration. That was a vibration. That wasn't a horn. San Jose Sharks. San Jose. Where's San Jose? Is that California? Okay, that had a little rhythm to it. I like that one. It had rhythm to it. But the music sound real clownish or museum-ish. I mean, not a museum. Amusement park clownish. Electrifying. For the lightning. That worked. That's the best one. That is the best one. Lightning. That was the best one, bro. If they had one more horn after the, because they did what, 2 horns, dude, 3, and then transition to the music, that would have been a banger. What the hell logo is this? Vancouver Canucks. I was so focused. I need that arena experience, turning it up. Oh yeah, this one. Nah, this one sounded like somebody was mowing their lawn right in front of your window. Say you sleeping and your window right here. What team is this? Hold up. I like that one. That really gave me like, I think that was like when I said the Purge. This is like the best horn for the Purge. I like that. I like this one. I like this one. The Lightning and the Capitals got the best ones. Jets, bro. Y'all should have did what the Lightnings did too. You should have got a sound of like a jet. Shoo! Like that or something like that. Cause this sounds like real Amtracky. You know what I'm saying? If somebody jumped in front of the ant, that's real bussy. You know what I mean? This one ain't it. Especially with a name like the Jets, this one ain't it. This one ain't it. If you the Jets, that one's not it. That one not it. That will it's not it for the Jets. You can't be the Jets and then have real bussy horns. You know what I'm saying? You can't have that. But that was a W. I like that. That was new. I never heard of a team having goal horns or scoring horns. That was cool. The Capitals, the Lightnings, they had the best ones. A lot of teams had some pretty good ones. The Jets, y'all gotta take this L. Y'all got the worst one. But yeah, like I said, Capitals, Lightnings, best ones. And I'm out. Hey, I'm out of here. Recommend me more videos. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch y'all boys on the flip.